How to check if an element from list A is not present in list B in Python. If I have one element alone, this is easy. But what if I have two lists and have to check if the elements in list A occur in list B? How do I get a result showing me that 1, 2, 3 are not in list B?
If the items in the list are hashable. Otherwise, you may use filter function. In that case, if B is sorted, you may get a better performance by using bisect.bisect_left to search logarithmically.
You can also use list comprehension. Output.
Using list comprehension. Truth the answer. List of elements not present in the second list.
That's a typical case for Boolean operations on sets.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.